Before the founding of the People's Republic of China, the country had never manufactured a single vehicle or airplane. Today, China has become the world's second largest economy with higher manufacturing output than any other country. What is the secret behind such a miraculous change? Today, we will be talking about China's top-level policy blueprint that led to its economic growth and social progress, the 5-year plan. Everyone's life follows a certain cycle, and China is no exception. China's development is evaluated and planned every 5 years. Unlike Western countries where policies change after each election, China's policymaking is based on the comprehensive research and scientific evaluation of the society in previous years. The government fully mobilizes all sectors of society to participate in decision-making to ensure that the policies are forward-thinking and sustainable. So, how is a 5-year plan made? Take the upcoming 14th 5-year plan as an example. In the first stage, a midterm evaluation of the implementation of the 13th 5-year plan was launched in 2018. The second step was to conduct preliminary research. Third, a basic idea of the next 5-year plan was formed. In the fourth stage, the proposal for formulating the 14th 5-year plan was made, after all-round social research. In the fifth stage, the Central Committee of the Communist Party of China started its fifth plenary session, whose focus was the deliberation of the proposal. After these steps, the formal formulation of the plan's outline has just begun. Based on the first draft of the outline formulated during the fifth plenary session of the 19th CPC Central Committee, there will be such steps as public suggestion collection, continuity and feasibility research, and extensive solicitation of internal and external opinions, etc. During the National People's Congress, NPC, and the Chinese People's Political Consultative Conference, CPPCC, next year, the NPC deputies and CPPCC members will put forward important revisions to the draft outline before the National People's Congress deliberates the proposals and formally approves the outline. Such a huge governance project cannot be done only with an outline. In addition to the general outline, there are specific plans for poverty alleviation, digital economy development, regional development of the west and northeast of the country, and annual plans that break down the master plan. Detailed policies will be made based on these subplans to ensure the implementation of the 5-year plan. Up to now, China has formulated and implemented 13 5-year plans, through which the country has achieved economic development and social progress. For example, during the first 5-year plan period, priority was given to the development of heavy industry to lay the foundation for the industrialization of new China. The sixth 5-year plan, the first 5-year plan for national economic and social development after the reform and opening up, phased out the planned economy. During the 9th 5-year plan period, China not only overcame the Asian financial crisis, but also achieved its goal of quadrupling per capita GDP 3 years ahead of schedule. The 11th 5-year plan saw China's profound transition from a planned economy to a socialist market economy. Amid the 13th 5-year plan period that has just ended, China achieved its target of becoming a well-off society. China is still in an important period of strategic opportunity for development at present and for the foreseeable future, but there are new developments in both opportunities and challenges. 2021 marks the beginning of China's 14th 5-year plan. What can we expect from the next 5 years in China?